Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in today's additional of Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, weekend, August the 6th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudokus. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic, and now it's binary time. Yes, binary time. And this binary will be number 4973. Yeah, 73. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8, that means in a row, there are always, sorry, 8 by 8, that means in a row, or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then, think. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 3 1s we have here in the last column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Alright, 3 O's we have here in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Think. Alright. Okay. Do we need to compare? That's the question. Okay. And now. I need to think. We have one row, second row. Okay, can I compare? Double one. No. Can I compare with this one? Yes, we can compare with this one. This row and that row. Oh, 1 1, 1 1, empty box, and 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah, and now between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Then. Need to compare again. Let me check for these 4 rows. O double 1 here. O double 1. Do we have a double 1 here? No. Double O here then. No double O. So this row I cannot compare. How about 101 here? This one. This row and that row. Empty box. 1 1. 0 0. 1 1. 0 0. 1 1. O, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. Finish in 5 minutes. Great binary. Yes, great binary. You need to compare twice, and then you solve this binary. If I can solve it, you can solve it. Alright. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.